And I
Okay.
want to discuss about the verb think and how can we replace and how can we
Okay.
use the different words in different scenario. Yes, I have jotted down somewhere, but I forgot. But I have in memory some words. First word is, I think, if I'm not wrong, ruminate. Can we use?
Ruminate.
Yes,
Can you spell that for me? RUMINAT?
I think it is. I jotted
Yeah.
down, but I don't know.
Yeah.
It,
So,
mm,
it's actually, yeah, ruminate is good, a good word. It actually means thinking as well. But you can use it when you are talking about when you are thinking something really deeply, something that you have
yeah.
overthink or you have done overthinking on a lot, right? So there
And
is
we can
something
say
which is going on in your head, so you can use that term.
when someone is feel little bit melancholy
Yeah.
and someone feel little bit low. So that time we can use. I am ruminating
Exactly.
on some past incident. Can we say?
Exactly. Yeah. Now, one example is that when you're talking about philosophy is a vast subject and it requires you to think a lot. So when you talk about it, you can say that I am ruminating about this particular part of philosophy. So that is another
Mm,
example.
yes, right. And next word we can discuss brooding. Yes.
Okay, so the term brooding is actually not in communication basis, not much used for the
But
word
I have
thinking, right?
read today itself. I have read today itself when I was reading a novel, and in
Yeah.
that novel, the a filmmaker is brooding something about his scene and how can he.
Okay. So I
Mm,
think that wasn't brooding, that was brewing. BREWING.
BROODING, I think.
All right. So brooding is mostly something that is, something that goes with worried or something that goes with sadness. That the person, if
Mm.
is very sad or is, we say that this person is very broody. So this person is actually angry right now. So that person has this
Okay.
dark aura around them. So if we have a
Okay.
friend who is not talking to us, we would say that, yeah, she is just brooding around. So that is another
Mhm.
way of using this word in general communication, actually. But yes, brooding actually does mean that you are engaged in some thinking, but it mostly goes toward the side of anger or sadness.
Okay, so I was reading the novel, The Tiger
Yeah.
for Malgudi, and that is written by R.K. Narayan. So in that novel, there was a no filmmaker Madan, and he was no thinking about to take a tiger in his new movie, and he was yes, I think he was no worried about how can he shoot. He would shoot his movie with a giant tiger, magnificent tiger, and he is also worried about no the circus master would give him permission or not. So I think in that
Yeah.
context,
So in
mm,
this context, we see now that how he is actually
mm,
worried. So that
yes,
goes with brooding.
yes, brooding. And another word, I think it's a simple ponder.
Yeah. Pondering is actually it's a neutral word. It means thinking. You can use it anyway. That I was just pondering upon what you said. So it's just simple. I was thinking about what you said earlier.
Yes, yes. And yeah, ponder. We can simply replace the word
Yeah.
thinking.
With
Mm.
ponder anywhere.
And consider. It is also, I think, simple word for thinking.
Yes, consider is also a simple word, and consider in general communication, as we know, is mostly used when we have options. For example, if there is a competition and you have options, so you say that I am considering this student for this competition. So you're thinking
Mm.
that this
Yeah.
person might be suitable for this competition. So mostly this is how we use the word consider in general communication.
Yes, you mean to say when we have multiple choices, so
Yeah.
we will choose one, and we are no considering, we are thinking about which one, no, which one for me and which one
Yeah.
shoot for me. So in that manner, we can say the consider.
The
And
best suitable one. We consider the best suitable one. Yes.
yes, best suitable, suitable match. And another one I have read somewhere, contemplate.
Yeah, contemplating is again something that you are analyzing, you're thinking over. I think contemplating is can also replace thinking in most of general case scenarios, because contemplating is basically that you are analyzing a particular part, you are thinking over a particular part. So, like we said that I was pondering upon what you said. We say I was thinking about what you said, and we can also say that I was contemplating about what you said. So these are some
Okay.
general synonyms that are neutral.
Okay. So in this moment, I am recall only 4 5 words, but I made I think the list of the 10 words. I missed somewhere. So if
It's
you
so
have ma'am, a new word, we can replace the
for
thing and
thinking.
yes. So you
Well,
can
one
do.
a very general would be wondering. I was wondering about what you said. Wondering is basically thinking about something as well, right? And we already did pondering, we did contemplating. Then there is this little phase, mulling over.
Mulling over.
Yeah, MULLING. Mulling over.
Mm,
So it's also a very gentle synonym that I was mulling over this topic. I had this assignment that my teacher gave, and I was mulling over this topic. I was thinking about this topic, right?
okay, mulling over.
And we can also use thinking or thinking. If we are actually on some particular scenario, like we have to think on a particular case, we can use examining as well, right? That I am
Mm,
examining this scenario, I'm examining this case with me, and I'm working on this. So it goes with thinking somewhere as well,
okay.
right? And
And
I was using, yeah,
when we are no watching someone seriously, so we can say scanning.
scanning.
Different. Scanning. No, he is scanning head to toe,
Yeah, that would be like analyzing a person, judging that person. Uh,
judging that.
in
Not
some
thinking.
parts, we can relate it to thinking, but I don't think it's a direct resemblance.
I think that is not.
Yeah. Now we
Yeah,
also use the word analyzing, so that comes under one of the synonyms as well.
yeah, analyzing. Yes, when we are thinking the positive aspect as well as negative aspect of something, so we can
Now,
say both.
like when we were talking about something that is, we are thinking about something really deeply, very emotionally. So there was, what was
Mm.
it?
Can we say,
Brooding,
ma'am,
right?
meditating?
Yeah,
Meditating. Can we say?
meditating.
Yes. Can we say?
Yeah, meditating in some ways, yes, because meditating usually goes to, one simple meaning, right? But if you're using it in the right places, then yes, meditating can resemble thinking in certain ways.
Mm. Yes.
Yeah, so in emotional thinking, I was also saying that we can use dwelling over something, like mulling over, so it's also dwelling over.
Dwelling. Dwelling over. Yes. Dwelling over, I think we used when we stuck somewhere and overthinking. Can we
Yeah,
use?
yeah.
So
I am
when we
dwelling
are
over this topic,
mm.
that we are just thinking and thinking and analyzing that particular thing. So we use dwelling. And nowadays, this particular term is really famous, brainstorming,
Yes,
right?
brainstorm. Yes, yes, it is also brainstorming.
It is really famous nowadays. Everybody is using it, especially.
Yes, brainstorming. Yes. And hovering, can we use? I just hovering on only one topic. Can we use as a figurative meaning?
Yeah, we can. It goes to yeah, as you said, it goes to a little figurative, right? We are talking in a
Hmm.
figurative manner.
Not literal meaning, but as a figurative, we can. I think I have read somewhere. I don't
Yeah,
know
no,
exactly.
yes, it also goes with the theme where we discuss like dwelling over something. So it goes in that same sphere, I would say. Now that we are
Yes.
actually recalling, there are so many words for one particular meaning. Like we are just talking
Yes.
about one sense, and we just going on with so many words.
Yes. 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 So, can you make, ma'am, any sentence with hovering? Hovering. No, I can
Uh,
use hover with insect, though they are usually hover, and we
yeah,
can use plane is hovering over the building. So, can you use it?
yeah. Okay, so plain as hovering is not really it is literal. It is a literal
It's
meaning. So
literal
yeah,
meaning. So, can you use as a figurative? Can you
yeah,
please?
sure. Give me a second. Mhm. Yeah, okay. So we can say that, for example, a teacher of mine gave me a topic and I'm stuck on that topic, and a friend of mine calls me to ask about it. So I'll just say that, yes, I'm still hovering over this particular theme, and I'll go to the next topic when I'm done with it. So
I
this is how we
yes.
can use it.
Yes. Right. And sometimes we are just talking about the same topic. Some incident happen, and whole family, whole surrounding, no, just no indulge in the same topic. So we can say, can we say all people hovering on the
Yes,
same topic?
yes, it does
If
make
something
sense.
happened, just, let's take
It's like
example.
everybody is showing their
Last night,
overindulgence. Yeah,
yes, last
everybody is
night,
showing overindulgence over a topic. So we can say that everybody is hovering over this thing. It's not
yes,
their, it's none of their business.
yes, yes, we can say just
Yeah.
last night Indian women cricket won the World
Mhm.
Cup. So we can say that everybody is talking about, and they all are hovering on the same topic. Oh, I got ball.
Yeah, yeah, we can say that.
Yes. So if you have any another word, so you can also share with me.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it. There's also this
Pondering,
word
maybe
deliberating.
deliberating.
Yeah,
Hmm.
deliberating is also a word which resembles. It mostly goes in academic areas. That when, for example, in questions itself, teachers gave us right that evaluate this particular topic. So that is how when we are having these discussions with people and when we are talking in an
Hmm.
academic sphere, so we say that yes, we are deliberating over this topic.
Deliberating comes from the deliberate,
Yeah,
deliberately. So in Hindi, मैम we used oh तुमने ये deliberately किया है, जानबूझ के किया है, knowingly किया है.
yeah, but deliberating comes in a little different sense. As I said, that it goes in that deliberate is actually in considering, right? when, as you said, that
Okay.
you did this deliberately. So you did this after a
Mm.
lot of consideration, right? And
Okay. Okay.
consideration is
That,
thinking. So it's
yes.
again the same. It again comes in that same family, that we are deliberating over this. We are still considering this.
Yes. It means you have done after lot of thought process, after
Deliberation. Yeah.
deliberation. Okay. Yes, right. Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
So okay, so we got a lot of words, I guess. How many did we get? I did not count.
11.
11. Okay, so let's get it to an even number. I just recalled another. We can also say note, like not really noticing, but guessing or realizing.
Mm.
It's like reactive thinking. Yeah, that I
Okay.
realized something, that I thought of something. So realizing. These are just some quick and general terms, I guess, very common.
Okay. Right. Guessing, realizing, maybe.
Now, brainstorming, there is another word which is really famous nowadays. In the trend, I would say ideating.
Ideating. Can you spell it, ma'am, in that box?
Yeah, it's sure. Yeah, I sent it.
Yes.
Right. So it's like
Ideally.
ideating. It's really in the buzz nowadays. Everybody is using it. I've seen so many people use that in their captions and stuff. So yeah,
It means
that's how I remember it.
someone getting idea.
Yeah. We are ideating over this topic. We are brainstorming over this topic.
Okay, nice. It is all really fantastic.
Yeah.
Ideating.
All right. So I hope you got a lot of words.
Definitely, definitely.
So I think we should keep this till here.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. So this was a really productive session, of course, and we got a lot of words out of this. And I
Mm.
hope you feel the same way.
Yes, ma'am, same here. And next time I will jot down my particular notebook and I
Yeah.
try to not miss.
No, yeah, sure. But again, this was fun as well, right? We just keep coming up with new words.
Yes,
We were
and
brainstorming words.
yes, we
Yeah.
are brainstorming.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we were actually in
And
the
when we just give things on the particular times. जब कहते हैं ना किसी को हाथों हाथ तैयार करके दी कोई चीज. So what we call the word?
handing over,
The prompt? No, we don't have any ready-made. We just prepare on the point of time. Just somebody call me suddenly
like an
and please.
extempore.
Yeah, extempore. So we can say we are practicing extempore.
Extempore, right, of course. All right. So I'll see you soon again. And I hope we have more fun again. All right. So thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.